Hi, welcome back to the light. Today we're going to go over the UI. That's short for user interface before we do any deep dives into specific features. Getting comfortable with the layout will make everything else much easier. So we're going to start from the very top where we have the menu bar. This is the row with words like File, Edit, Charts, Reports, Classical References, Options, Tools, Print, Research, Windows, and Help. You can think of this as the master control panel. Every single function in Parashara's Lite can be accessed from here. You probably won't use it all the time because there are faster shortcuts, but if you ever get lost, this is where everything lives. Just below the menu bar, we have the toolbar, which is where all of your icons sit. You could think of this as a quick access shortcut row. It's designed to save you time from digging through menus. Note there are two types of toolbars here, depending on your settings. You have an extended toolbar with 10 icons, or you can also have a compact toolbar with 7 icons. For this demo, I'm going to go through all 10 icons to explain them to you. The icons, starting from left to right, start with a red screwdriver and a blue wrench. This references your settings and preferences. Next to this, we have an icon that looks like a person in meditation. This stands for your chart, calculations, reports, and tools. Following this, we have an icon with the sun. This will take you to the Varshafal or annual or solar return charts, calculations, and related tools. Right besides this, we have an icon with 2 hearts, and this provides access to looking at compatibility between charts. The next icon looks like 2 charts overlapping, and this stands for transits, other tools, events, Muhurta, and Prasna. Right besides this, you'll see an icon with the letters KP. This references the Krishnamurti Padati or Padati system, commonly known as the KP system. This is another system in Vedic astrology. Following this icon is what looks like a chart with a speech bubble. This stands for chart or worksheet interpretations. And we're getting close to the end. The next icon is a star, and this references your favorites, which are saved worksheets. Next to the last icon, we have 2 circular arrows with the 1 and a 2. This stands for worksheets that you most frequently access. So this may not necessarily be your favorites, but it's ones that you use. The very last icon is an X, and this will allow you to close out the worksheet. So that's a wrap with your full set of icons, and next we'll do a deeper dive into what each icon stands for.